Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Esther. In today's video, I'll be learning how to draw a beautiful girl with a straight hair and lipstick, a cute little girl. So guys, let's get started. So guys, we'll be starting with a circle first. Then we'll split the circle into two equal halves. Then the down part, we are going to split it into half. That's the horizontal line, but it will be a bit below half. Then I'm drawing the chin to know where my line is going to be. So now I'm moving straight down to the eyes. We'll draw the shape of the eyes. Okay. Yeah, we can use our erasers to clean our mistakes. Nobody's perfect. My circle too is not perfect. Everybody were not perfect. So yeah, moving to the second eyes too. And if you want me to make a video about how to draw eyes or anything, you can actually comment in the section below because I will make a video based on what you request. So we always make mistakes until we get the kind of eyes that we want to draw. We want for our character. So guys, I'm putting the shape of the head. You can always adjust it to something that you want. Yeah. The steps are actually very easy. Once you just have a reference picture, you can just make some modifications that you want. So I'm cleaning the guidelines now. That is helping us, that has helped us this part because without it, we couldn't have made the drawing. So, yeah. So, I'll continue cleaning the guidelines. Cleaning it. Okay, so now I have my sketch, my baseline sketch. I mean the eye is big because the bigger the eye is, the cuter the face. So that's why. I'm just adjusting some parts then. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching.